Hi and welcome to another video for year 7 maths. So here still on the topic percentage change. Now we're focusing on what happens if we have percentage decrease. Now as usual you have to remember these two formula. It's quite similar to what we have before. This is the amount of decrease equals original value minus the decreased value, because over here the new value is less than the original, so there is a decrease. Now the second one is when we have percentage decrease, so this one should equal amount of decrease over the original value, multiply everything by 100% to get the percentage decrease. Now let's start with example number 1. Now here let's read the question. Last year, Stanley bought a car for $54,000. Then this year, the value of the car dropped. So here is your hint that there is a decrease over here. This is 54,000, which is the original value or the original price of the car. And this one is the new price of the car. So the question is, what is the percentage decrease in the value of the car? Now percentage decrease, you know the formula already. Now here I will use the percentage arrow down, which means decrease equals amount of decrease over original value, and then you multiply everything by 100%, right? Now here you know your original value over here, 54,000. Now how do you find the amount of decrease? Now the amount of decrease over here, I will do the side, sorry, not the original, amount of decrease, right? Amount of decrease equals, here it should be the original minus the new. So the new, the original is the 54,000, and then you subtract by 49,680. So if you calculate carefully, you will get 4,320. Now this is your amount of decrease. You can substitute this one into the fraction on the numerator over here, 4,320, everything over the original. Always remember that in a percentage change, you put the original on the denominator. Now over here, you just have to simplify, cancelling the 0 by pairs. And in the end, you have 432 divided by 54. So if you use a calculator, you can get 8%. So here, you can say that Stanley's car has decreased in value by 8%, right? So that's the first example. Now for the next example over here, example number 2. Now here the price of a notebook computer was $2,000 this month, last month. There is a decrease of 5% on the price this month. So the question is asking you to find what is the new price of the notebook. Now here, like last time, you have two methods. So here I will just split this paper. Now method number 1 is you use the percentage that you have, which is 5%, 5 over 100 of the original. If you take this one, this will be your amount of decrease. Now here, 5 over 100 off means time. The original price is $2,000, right? This is the original. And when you cancel the zeros, you can get this $100. Now what do you do with this $100? Since you are saying the question is stating that there's a decrease, so you have to subtract the original by $100. So therefore the new price for the notebook will be $2,000 minus $100. So you can get 1,900. Right, so this is your answer. Now, this is for the first method. So let's see if here the second method. Here you have to understand the statement that new price is actually 100% deducted by 5%, because here you have a decrease of 5% of the original price. Now let's see if you can get 1,900 straight away. Now here you just substitute the value. So 100% minus 5% will be I don't have to write this down, 95%, which is 95 over 100 of the original price, which means you have to multiply with $2,000. Over here, you just cancel the zeros by pair, and look at over here, when you multiply 95 by 20, you will straight away get $1,900. Now here it's up to you. You can choose which one is the easier method for you, right? Okay, so I think that's it for the topic percentage decrease. I hope you can understand the topic very well. So thank you very much and see you again.